Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. Wow, it's nice to be back here again to give you some tips and hacks that will always increase your productivity. And if I see any opportunity in the digital space, we'll be discussing it on this channel. Well, it's been a long journey for me. Well, I've been busy with some voluntary conferences and the likes. That's why you've not been seeing my frequently updates on Wednesday. So what's up? I want to quickly make a video about this website, a paid survey website I've been working on, which I later find out it's not legitimate. So in this video, I'll be giving you 5 reasons why they are not legitimate. Yes, 5 reasons why Social Rebel is not legitimate. The number one thing you will notice on the website is this. After scooping the whole website, they don't have a contact button. The set of people that run Social Rebel did a wonderful job. Do you know why? They ensured most of their reviews on the internet are positive, to the point of forums. So that's why I give it a try. I made some video until I got hit and I see, okay, wow, this is actually not legitimate and it's not something you should waste your time about. So remember, number one, they have no contact us button. Number two, if you look at the high earnings, the high top earners on the website, as I'll be showing in the video on my phone, they have the same amount, they earn the same amount so far since I run the website for like 3 weeks, and the top earners earnings never change, still the same figure. They keep rolling out the number of people they paid. I believe these are their syndicates that organize these websites. Number 3, the high pay, the high earn amount on each survey. How could you just do a survey, download an app running for 30 seconds and you get paid $90 or $120? Who does that? Even Warren Buffett will not give you that kind of amount to just download a app and run it for 30 seconds. Oh, you want the rest? Okay, before you go, you forgot. You've not subscribed, and make sure you click on the notification button. Like this video and leave a comment. What did you think? Did you ever got paid by Social Rebel? Number 4, you will get hit by an inactive account notice the moment your withdrawal date is nearer. Either you are active or not. I'll be calling a friend and I would also be recording the conversation, and I'll be adding it to the video so that you can see that these people are a bunch of liars and want to collect your real data. In events, if you really want to try this out, you lose nothing, you're not paying a dime. Make sure you don't use your real infos. One of my numbers I've been getting so many advert calls and the likes, which means they sell your informations to advertisement agency. Number 5, why Social Rebel is a full scam supported network. Number 5, yes. Go through the site. When they tell you to upload a video on YouTube, the moment you upload and you share the link, it approves the video immediately. But when you want to withdraw, they need like 2 to 3 weeks to confirm the withdrawal. Why? They tell you there are a lot of people on the queue. They need to check everyone if their videos are legitimate and they didn't delete their content on their Facebook page, Instagram and YouTube, thereby growing their network. Check their Facebook, YouTube page also. You see a lot of discrepancies. You see a lot of red flags to tell you that Social Rebel is scam. So these are the little things I noticed, and I made my conclusion that Social Rebel is scam. No one should try it out. I'm not saying there are no paid survey out there. There are paid surveys, but you get to work your ass off before you could reach 8,000, not to talk of 5,000 bucks. You get to work your ass off. So if this video has been helpful for you, make sure you kindly share with your friends that is trying to do social rebel and tell you it's legit. I've done a couple of video at the point before I withdraw. After I withdraw, I've done some video. Now this is a camp up video just to tell you that social rebel is fake. It's not legitimate. Don't waste your time. I have like 3 to 4 people I told to do it, and they also withdraw, and they were active to the point of their withdrawal date, and they still got it with inactive. But stay tuned, as we'll be bringing to you tips and hacks to improve your life. Don't forget, in my next video, I'll be talking about 5 to 10 altar coins you could buy for the crypto world and hold till it rise. You know, Bitcoin just passed the all-time high. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe and click the bell. Bye bye.